Ah, man, it's freaking raining. So all morning it's not been raining, and it's like I haven't gotten out on my motorcycle in like a freaking month, and I was like, today I gotta do it. Got the gear on, tire pressure was low, had to fill up that, get the gear on, tighten up some bolts because I'm wrenching on the bike, inflate the tires, and now I'm out riding. Finally got on the motorcycle after over an hour, and freaking raining. Typical Washington State. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning on into the Evergreen Motovlog channel. If you like motorcycle content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I've got tons of content both on the channel and headed your way, so smash that notification bell for future uploads and our live streams. How's everyone doing? I hope you're all having a great time during the holidays. It is currently that really fun kind of downtime right now between Christmas and New Year's. I'm lucky enough to where my job allows me to take that time off. So I get a chance to spend it with friends and family, catching up around the house, all that good stuff. But anyway, today I just wanted to do a quick video reflecting on 2022 and my first year as a YouTuber, as a motovlogger, you know? So yeah, I got the GoPro for Christmas last year, actually. And the first video I did, which is going to be linked up right here, I think I did it like January 3rd or something, 2022, or maybe January. Ooh, they paved this road. It's nice and smooth now. Yeah, January 3rd, January 6th, something like that. The rest is history, right? Got the motorcycle in 2021, rode it, you know, went through the permit. I now have my endorsements. Trying to kind of update you guys a little bit just because I have a lot of videos. I know I've talked about in previous videos how big of a video backlog I have. And so I have a lot of videos that are recorded but not edited or uploaded yet. But yeah, I got my endorsement, and this year it's been a really crazy year because, you know, I started the channel, things went kind of sideways at work, didn't start posting as early as I wanted to, finally got some videos out, had two good buddies of mine who were talking about getting motorcycles actually get them, and have been riding with them all summer. You know, been really enjoying this Honda Rebel 500. I'm approaching 5,000 miles. I'm actually debating on doing a 5,000 mile review / update video. Yeah, no, just trying to reflect a little bit on this year. It's been great. You know, I've had a chance to, you know, I started the channel. I've been getting into motorcycles more, so I've been learning a ton about bikes, all the different kinds of motorcycles, my own bike, you know, just a lot of great different things for sure. Now this video might have to get cut short just because, like I said, the rain is picking up, and I didn't dress to ride in the rain, and I'm not really looking to do too much rain riding. But this year's been pretty great in terms of the channel, right? So posting videos, got a good schedule down, been posting some good videos that I've been enjoying, learned a lot, like I said, about motovlogging, learned a lot about motorcycles and YouTube in general, right? So, not saying I know it all. I know I'm literally just scratching the surface, right? So there's lots more to learn, and that's kind of how my thinking has been with this channel, right? Like, just looking to the future. What can I do to improve? What can I do to be better? So go ahead, leave a comment down below and let me know how you would like to see me improve, right? Like, what kind of content you'd like to see, if you'd like to see some of the things I've done in the past in a different way, or if there's anything that, you know, that you would like me to improve upon. That's my goal, right? My constant goal is to always be improving and refining, making things better, and looking to the future. So 2022 was a pretty rough year for me personally, and I have filmed a couple videos going into that in a little more details. They will be posted eventually. So 2020, 2021, and 2022 have all been really, really rough years, and I know that they've been not great years for a lot of people, but you know, just speaking from my perspective, they've been really tough, and there's been a lot of trials, a lot of different crazy things going on, a lot of highs, a lot of lows. But we're here now. We're excited. You know, I'm so excited for 2023. I'm excited that the channel is growing. Currently, I just hit 300 subscribers on Christmas Day. So, hell yeah, let's go, baby. 300 subs on Christmas Day. That's pretty awesome. That's a cool Christmas gift. I'm looking forward to the future for sure, because the sky's the limit. So, unfortunately, for the next couple of months, you know, kind of starting towards the end of January, work is going to ramp back up. You know, it's just the nature of the beast. It's the industry I work in. Kind of sucks. But again, it is what it is. My plan, my goal for the channel is to keep up the consistent one video a week. And so for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be trying to get ahead here while I got some downtime. And then as work kicks up, I will have a backlog and I can post those videos and just kind of maintain. So we're kind of looking, you know, maybe in the, you know, for 2023, one video a week all the way up until about summer. And then, yeah, once summer kicks in, hopefully I will have a chance to ramp it up and do 2 videos a week. But we'll see. I may change. That's kind of just the plan going into it. But like I said, I'm future thinking, and I roll with the punches. I try to do my best to adapt and improve. All right, let's just pop the visor open. Yep, rain's coming down. It's not raining too hard. It's just kind of sprinkling. But anyway, yeah, there's the motorcycle. There's the Honda Rebel 500. Yeah, lots of mods, right? Another thing to reflect on for 2022. You know, got the windscreen, got the swing arm bag, a couple sneak peeks. Did some bar risers that I'm going to be coming out with pretty soon. Got a video in the works. Got these new clutch and brake levers. I got some saddlebags coming on in, so excited to have those. Got the Mustang seats. So lots of mods to the Honda Rebel 500. You've seen some of them. You're going to be seeing the rest of them pretty soon, hopefully in the next couple months. And yeah, as I just reflect, you know, it's been a great year. It's been a tough year. There's been a lot of challenges and trials, but at the same time, there's been a lot of learning and growth and exciting things happening. So I try to always be a little bit of a glass half full kind of guy. It's just how I work. There's no point in feeling crappy about something. You know, if you're already in a bad situation and things are either not looking up, or, you know, that you feel like you hit rock bottom, your attitude can really go a long way in that scenario. But this is not a video on sad, frustrating, annoying things. So this is a great video. This is an exciting video because we are at the close. I'm officially almost at 1 year of motovlogging, and it has been great, and I can't wait for what the future holds. So looking forward to it, and I hope you guys are too. Guess we could kind of just work our way back. So like I mentioned on the channel before, I've got tons of videos ready to go. There's lots of content. I talked a little bit in my 200 subscriber video about what my plans and kind of future is for the channel. So I'm not trying to do kind of a repeat video or an update in that sense, but just to kind of touch on it briefly, you know, I'm not totally sure where this channel is going to go. Still trying to figure out who I am as a motovlogger and a content creator, and what all you guys want. So just going to be doing some exploring and kind of filming my experience and adventures, and yeah, just taking you guys along with me. So no, I'm excited. You know, I have got a ton of plans, and I can't wait to bring them to fruition and see where this channel goes. But yeah, I've got lots of videos, lots of content, and I'm always taking suggestions. I'm always wanting to, like I said, improve and make sure I'm doing something for you guys that you enjoy. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you want to see coming up here in 2023. Thank you, sir. Nice truck. I love old trucks, you know. Hopefully one day I'll have an old truck on the channel, because yeah, I love them for sure. They're cool. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see in the future. But I think so far 2022 has been a really successful year in terms of the channel. And like I said, I've already hit my subscriber goal for the year. It was 150. I'm glad I reached that. I don't know what my goals are going to be for 2023. You know, I mean, in a perfect world, I'd love to be monetized by the end of 2023 and I can really start investing in things. But we'll see how things go. We'll see how the algorithm treats me. But I'm hopeful, right? Like I said, trying to stay positive. Make sure I'm not being too negative on anything. But thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for sticking on around and supporting the channel. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, it's really cool. You know, it's really cool that you guys are invested and interested and want to hear me rambling and all that kind of stuff. So, you know what? Like I said, I want to dedicate this video and, you know, this upcoming year to you guys and really show my appreciation. So let me know how I could do that best. As you can probably see, getting a little bit more rain than I'd like to. So I'm gonna have to cut this one short, but that's okay, you know, is what it is. The main thing is really just reflecting on this past year and thanking you guys for your support, talking about the channel, and just being excited for next year, you know, and the years to come. So looking forward to it. I'm gonna do my best to improve and bring you guys exciting content and yeah, give you guys ways to support the channel. So stay tuned. I haven't decided yet. We'll kind of see how things go. I may consider getting another bike on the channel, but I haven't really fully decided what that would look like. My goal is, you know, once I get some nicer weather, just a little bit of a tangent. This is the first time since I got this motorcycle that I haven't had a chance to ride for like over a month. And the main reason for that, you know, a couple trips, you know, one or two, you know, kind of quick trips on nice days. But the main reason is because the weather this year has just been really garbage. It's been raining a lot, as you can tell it's raining now. And wanted to get out at least one more time before the end of the year so that I could, you know, kind of do this video and everything. Once the weather gets a little bit nicer, my plan is to start test riding some new models and checking out some of the bikes I really like. So I'm going to check out a couple cruisers, probably Honda, Indian, and Harley cruisers. I'm gonna check out some dual sport and adventure bikes, and yeah, maybe some naked bikes too. So I don't know, just kind of gonna be doing some test rides, kind of get a feel for maybe what that next bike might look like, and then also just kind of keep an eye out for some used options and opportunities. So leave a comment down below, let me know what bike you'd like to see next on the channel. I know I've said that before, but any input is appreciated. Thank you all for hanging on out and stopping on by. If you like motorcycle content and Honda Rebel content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've got tons of motorcycle content both on the channel and headed your way, so smash that notification bell for future uploads and or live stream. But thank you so much for your support. Go ahead, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the Evergreen Motovlog channel. And this is the Evergreen Motovlog channel, reminding y'all to ride safe out there, mind your surroundings, and I'll catch you all in the next one in 2023. Peace!